Caution, this is a video log. It has dialogue. For the purist, nature videos go to my playlist, pick one that matches your mood, and does not mention vlogs or dialogue.
Good morning, here we are at the Westmoreland Heritage Trail along the Turtle Creek with an interstate behind us. Post is more exciting than the deer. Oh, let's go down this hill here. Come here. Come here. Come on. Down the hill. Sorry. Down the hill. Down the hill. Come on. Let's see if we can rinse the mud off of our shoes now. I think it's a bit too much traffic still right here. It is pretty though. Alright. Alright, up there. Keep going. Alright, we made it. Come on. This way. Continue on down the trail. Here we are walking on the Westmoreland Heritage Trail along the Turtle Creek River. Colors are pretty, but there's more car noise than I expected, or hoped for rather. So no videos this morning, or at least no stable tripod video. It is a beautiful day though.